Hello everyone! Ngayon nga ay December 31, 2024 at mamayang hating gabi ay sasalubungin na natin ang bagong taon, 2025. Ang tanong, handa na ba ang lahat sa 2025? Whether the answer is yes or no, wala tayong magagawa but to move forward. Hoping and praying that everyone will move forward with optimism, great hope, positive spirit, and faith in God. That the God of Christmas, who is Emmanuel, will be with us throughout the year. At ang ikalawang tanong, may handa na bang 12 fruits ang lahat? May pa 12 fruits man o wala, ang New Year ay lilipas din. Laban lang. Iba-iba ang rason kung bakit tayo naghahanda ng 12 fruits during New Year. Ang iba sa atin naghahanda nito because of cultural influence. Ang iba naman because of symbolism. At ang iba naman just for decoration. Sinasabing ang paghahanda ng 12 fruits have Spanish and Chinese influences. Tradisyon sa Espanya na kumakain ng 12 grapes at midnight on New Year's Eve. Ito ay tinatawag na Las 12 Uvas de la Suerte. Para sa kanila, ang pagkain ng 12 grapes at midnight on New Year's Eve ay magdadala sa kanila ng luck for the next 12 months. Para naman sa mga Chinese, ang round fruits are associated with wealth and prosperity. At dahil sa Spanish colonization, ang grape-eating tradition ay kumalat sa Latin America at sa Pilipinas. At ayun nga, sa paglipas ng panahon, this evolved into displaying or eating 12 different round fruits on the table every New Year's Eve. Ang round shape symbolizes coin and financial prosperity. At ang 12 fruits ay nagre-represent ng 12 months of the year, signifying continuity and completeness. Pero bakit nga ba diverse ang mga fruits na nilalagay natin? It is because the diversity of fruits reflects abundance. This is an example of 12 fruits display na hindi naman talaga 12 fruits kasi kulang ang variety of fruits. Pero pagpasensyahan nyo na, sa every fruit display, hindi talaga nawawala ang apples. Don't you know that the saying na an apple a day keeps the doctor away originated in Wales? Of course, pag may apples, di nawawala ang oranges. Ang orange ay nagre-represent ng prosperity at good luck, especially sa Chinese culture. Kung inyo ring nakikita guys, meron tayong banana. Bananas are botanically classified as berries. Kung inyo ring natandaan kanina guys, meron tayong watermelon sa ating 12 fruits. Don't you know that watermelon consists of about 92% water, making it highly hydrating? We also have kiwi, guys, which contains more vitamin C than an orange. We also have papaya, guys, which Christopher Columbus labeled as the fruit of the angels. We also have persimmon, which is called nature's candy due to its natural sweetness when ripe. We also have grapes. Don't you know that the oldest grapevine is located in Slovenia and is over 400 years old? There you have it. If you want informative content like this, follow me for more. This is Rain's Chronicle, telling you things that matter. Don't forget to follow, like, and share. Until next time, bye!